Get 25% off on your next dash cam. Details inside. Today I'll show a quick overview of Campark's 4K action camera model ACT47A, which features Ultra HD 4K video recording at 30 frames per second or 2.7K at 30 frames per second, 1080p at 60 and 30, as well as time-lapse loop recording, image stabilization, and slow motion modes at 1080 and 720p at 120 frames per second. It also takes photos up to 20 megapixels with its 170-degree HD wide-angle lens, and also supports Wi-Fi connection via Android and iOS to connect your phone and share your videos to online platforms. And don't forget to visit campark.net and use my coupon code BREAKAWAY2X to get 25% off your next purchase of any action cam, dash cam, or other products on their website. So inside the box you'll get your manual and the action camera itself, already cased in the waterproof housing. This will make your action camera waterproof, good for up to 40 meters in depth. You'll also get 2 batteries, dust-proof cover, an external microphone, long and short thumb screws, your USB cable, a backpack clip, a frame, another mount, the wireless remote control, your bicycle mount, release buckles and your insurance tether strap, as well as a couple straps, a couple flat adhesive pads, and a dust cloth. It's a compact action camera with a nice black finish, with the buttons nicely and easily laid out. Then you have your micro USB, HDMI, and external mic jacks. And you've got your mode button, which is also your power button on the front, and your LED flash indicator. And down below you'll have your battery compartment case, your up and down buttons on the side, as well as your OK button on the top, or the shutter release button, and a full-size screen on the back. You'll need to slide the button to remove the battery case, and just a note, be sure to take care of the battery cover because it's not attached to the body. Insert one of the 2 lithium-ion batteries, each with a capacity of 1050 mAh, and be sure to charge the battery first. And we'll need to charge the battery, which takes about 2 to 3 hours. Make sure you put the cover back on in the proper direction. And also insert your micro SD card. The camera can take up to 64 gigabytes, and they recommend a class 10 or higher. And I'd recommend a Samsung brand. You can check the links in the description for where you can get these micro SD cards. And as soon as you turn it on, it's going to initialize the memory card. Then you'll be able to start recording. Simply press the OK button on the top to start and to stop recording. While it's recording, you'll see blue LED lights flashing. Use the USB cable to charge the battery in the camera. Simply plug the micro USB end into the unit and the USB into your USB ports in your computer or an external USB hub. To turn off the power, simply hold the mode button on the front of the camera and the system will shut down. As it's charging, you'll see the red LED light indicator will be lit. This will indicate that the unit is charging its battery. Leave that for some time, and when it's fully charged, the red LED light will be off. Then you're ready to go. And now I'm going to show you some of the modes and settings found inside the camera. You simply need to press the mode button to switch to the different settings. Hit it once and you're into photo mode. Press it again and you're in playback mode. And yet again and you'll enter video settings. And then use the buttons on the right side up and down to navigate the options. Hit the mode button one more time and now you're in photo settings. And when you hit the mode button again, you'll be in general settings and system settings. To exit the menu, simply press OK. So in your video settings, you can control the resolution of your videos anywhere from 4K 30, 2.7K 30, 1080p 60, 1080p 30, 720p 120 for slow-mo. You also have EIS on and off, that's image stabilization. You also have time-lapse video, slow motion, record audio on or off. And then in the photo settings, again, you have different photo resolutions up to 20 megapixels. You can also take time-lapse photos, burst mode photos, and in the general settings, you can control your volume, exposure, ISO, effects, contrast, saturation, and sharpness. And in your system settings, you can change the languages. So these are the different languages available. You can turn car mode on or off. Again, this can make it function as a dash cam for your car. Automatic power off. Date format, stamped if you want it upside down. Screensaver time, format, reset, and the software version. And here's some video samples. Also time-lapse mode and slow-mo mode. And here are some photo samples. So overall, for the price point, you are getting a good value action camera you can take along with you for various purposes. It's not at the level of your GoPros or DJI Osmos, which cost $300 to $400 or more, but at $50, this camera may be a better fit for you. Don't forget to check the links in my description and get the discount coupon code. Feel free to comment down below and I'll do my best to answer your questions. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give a like, share, and subscribe for more reviews. And until next time.